Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making apple drop cookies. Simple, quick and easy. I have a stick of butter, which is a half a cup of finely chopped apples, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of apple cider, which you could use apple juice, half a teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of flour. And you'll also need 1 egg. So we're going to begin. I'm going to mix up, get my butter and sugars and egg cream together. Okay, I got my butter and sugars creamed together, so now I'm just going to grab my egg, crack it in the bowl, and get it blended up with the butter. We'll be right back. Alright, I got all my egg mixed up. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the 1/4 cup apple cider right into the mix. Big ol' hand. Get that mixed up and we'll be right back. Alright, I got the apple cider mixed in. Now we're just going to go ahead and put all of our dry ingredients right into the bowl and get that mixed up along with the apples. Put your apples in right along with the dry ingredients. We're going to get this stirred up. You want to just stir it just until it comes together. You don't want to over stir it. Okay, you want to go ahead and get your oven preheated to 350, and then you can get a large baking sheet, cover it with parchment or spray it with cooking spray. And then we're going to just drop them by teaspoons onto the cookie sheet. Alright guys, so I got my first pan done. I got 22 cookies, and you can see that I still have like between 1/4 and 1/2 of the recipe left. So it's probably going to make a good 3 dozen cookies, so you can always half it. And so we're going to get the pan into the oven, 350, and I'm going to set it for 10 minutes and check it after the 10-minute mark.